Hey guys, we received this Hermon Balanitis treatment for men relief kit for test and try soothing cream 2 ounce and a cleansing soap 4 ounce. So this is helpful, and then you can see comes in this nice pack, and this is the soap and the cream. So the soap also comes with this small meshy bag to use, and you can see like the cream itself is nice. So let me just take out this protective thing to show you the cream. It's really like a smooth cream, and nice texture, easy to apply and use. So you can just apply easily and can be removed easily as well. So this have their active ingredients, so you can see that one. And this is the soap. It's a nice smell and a nice feel as well with the texture thing, and good to put in this meshy bag and use. So really great set and good to use.